Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Franco. My channel is called It's Delicious. So the purpose of this video is just to tell everybody that I have started this new channel. It's a cooking channel. I'm an all-round chef, so I basically do everything, but I specialize in Italian and Sicilian cooking because I am an Italian, Sicilian. Many recipes come from my parents, from my grandparents who lived in Sicily for many, many years. I lived in Sicily for a short while. Um, and that's it really. So I'm asking all of you to please subscribe, give this channel a chance, see if you like it. I do very simple, authentic, tasty recipes. That are easy to follow. I do the videos in such a way that you can follow them easily. I try and use ingredients that are easy to find, nothing fancy, stuff that you can make yourself every day at home if you like. Simple recipes. I don't complicate things. I just try and keep them simple so that everybody can make them. So it's a brand new channel. I'm desperately needing subscribers to keep this channel going. So basically I'm just saying, give me a chance, please give the channel a chance, see if you like it, subscribe. If you don't, you can always unsubscribe. It takes 5 minutes. Give it a go and let's get to know each other, and who knows, maybe you love the food I make. I'm hoping that that's the case. So thanks for watching this, thanks for taking the time. In the short while that I have been making videos, I've only done very few videos up to now because we've just started. I do have already some subscribers, so thank you to you. I really appreciate it. Every bit helps, and thank you for subscribing so quickly. I really appreciate it. Got some nice comments already, and I've had some very nice messages. Thank you. And I'm looking forward to getting some new subscribers and getting to know you guys, and then you can send me messages, tell me what you want me to cook, and obviously if there's time I will try and get everybody in there and try and do everything that you guys want. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you soon. Ciao.